Welcome back to RevCheck, the channel where we bring you the most fascinating vehicles of the future, and today we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome. For decades, Volkswagen has been a name closely tied to camper culture, from the legendary Type 2 microbus that became a symbol of freedom in the 1960s to the modern California camper vans that blend comfort with everyday usability. But with the 2026 Motorhome, Volkswagen has taken its heritage to a whole new level, creating not just a camper, but a luxurious home on wheels designed for modern explorers who crave freedom without sacrificing elegance and technology. This motorhome is not only about moving from place to place, it's about living life in motion, surrounded by features that rival luxury apartments and even boutique hotels. The exterior of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome makes an immediate impression. It combines the clean, functional styling Volkswagen is known for with futuristic touches that look years ahead of their time. A bold LED light bar stretches across the front, while adaptive headlights integrate seamlessly into the aerodynamic frame. The body is sculpted from lightweight yet durable composite materials, not only enhancing efficiency but also giving it a sleek, commanding road presence. Solar panels are embedded into the roofline, allowing the vehicle to generate power as it travels or rests at camp. The motorhome rides on advanced adaptive air suspension, making the driving experience smooth whether you're on highways or venturing onto rougher terrain. It's a design that balances practicality with high-end styling, ensuring this motorhome turns heads wherever it goes. Stepping inside, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome truly comes alive. The lounge area immediately feels like a high-end living room, featuring plush eco-leather recliner seating, fold-out smart tables, and panoramic glass windows that flood the space with natural light. Volkswagen has introduced a customizable ambient lighting system that can shift tones and brightness depending on your mood, from a soft golden glow for relaxation to crisp white light for productivity. It's more than a camper interior, it's an environment designed to be lived in and enjoyed. The kitchen takes things up a notch with full smart home integration. It comes with an induction cooktop, a convection oven, a built-in smart refrigerator, and hidden storage compartments cleverly designed to maximize every inch of space. The countertops are finished in marble-style composite stone, while the cabinetry features a wood grain look with soft close technology, offering the warmth of home paired with futuristic convenience. Whether you're preparing a quick snack on the go or cooking a full meal at a campsite, this kitchen feels refined and efficient, something you'd expect in a luxury city apartment rather than on the road. The bedroom feels like a private sanctuary. At the center is a queen-sized memory foam bed with premium linens and an adjustable smart climate system for personalized comfort. Panoramic windows bring in natural views, while blackout blinds ensure privacy and restful sleep. Overhead, a digital LED ceiling panel allows you to change lighting effects, from a calming starry night effect to bright energizing tones in the morning. Hidden storage compartments maximize practicality, while an integrated entertainment screen offers movies, music, or streaming services on demand. It's a space designed to feel calm, personal, and luxurious. The bathroom continues that sense of comfort, designed with a spa-like feel. It features a rainfall shower with a glass enclosure, heated flooring, and smart water systems that recycle and purify water for extended off-grid living. Backlit mirrors and premium fixtures in brushed aluminum give it a high-end finish, and despite being inside a motorhome, it feels no less sophisticated than what you'd find in a luxury hotel suite. Of course, technology drives the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome at every level. A central digital hub connects to all major systems, giving you voice or app control over climate, lighting, navigation, and energy use. The hybrid electric drivetrain provides silent, emission-free driving in urban areas, with a combustion backup for long-distance adventures. The solar panel roof and optional battery packs extend off-grid capability, allowing owners to live remotely for days without needing external hookups. Advanced safety features include autonomous driving modes, 360-degree camera systems, and driver assistance functions that make navigating highways or parking stress-free. What makes the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome so compelling is the way it bridges heritage and future innovation. It celebrates Volkswagen's camper roots while embracing modern luxury, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement of how travel and lifestyle are evolving, blending freedom with sophistication in ways we've never seen before. Whether you're a digital nomad, a family looking to explore, or simply someone who craves the open road without losing the comforts of home, this motorhome has been designed to meet those dreams head-on. So what do you think? Would you take the leap into a life on wheels with the Volkswagen Motorhome of 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this look inside, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another future-focused review here on RevCheck.